Today we're going to learn the tutorial of Jesus, Lover of My Soul. So the chords we're going to learn are D, E minor, and C. It doesn't sound much. So I'm gonna play the G, but this G I can't reach it, so I'm just going to play 2 strings. Press 2 strings. So first, 1, 2, 3, go. Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, I will never let you go. You've taken me under my embrace. You got me on the rock, yeah, I know. I love you, I need you. Though my world may fall, I'll never let you go. My Savior, my closest friend, I will worship you until the very end. Keep playing and keep watching and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Go! Again, sorry.